Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting video that I have for you guys. What I'm going to be talking about today is just about some signs that you should look out for whenever you're driving your cars, because man, if you don't observe those signs, your car. Today's video is just about some signs that you should look out for, like your dashboard sign and all the rest of it, because I see most people drive cars and they don't pay attention to the dashboard and the signs that their cars are giving them. So most times their car break down on the road without them even knowing the fault and how it came about. So today I will just tell you now brief things wey una suppose know. I go tell you 5 things that you're supposed to know, or 5 dashboard signs that you should look out for, and you should know what they stand for. Number 1 is your engine cooling system. Your engine cooling system is very necessary in your car for you to maintain, or for you to drive your car and reach your destination safely and without having your car to overheat. You need to make sure that your engine cooling system are working perfectly well. That means you're maintaining a particular temperature that the car needs to function. Without it, the car will overheat. How? If you fail to put water in your radiator and you're having shots of water in your radiator, the car will overheat, and once the car overheats, it shuts the engine down, and while you're doing that, it's going to fuck you up. If you have an appointment that you have with that beautiful girl that you want to go and impress, to stop you on the way. So look out for that engine sign that says engine cooling pressure. This sign that is showing on your screen, I probably you don't know what it means, but today you know what it means. Engine cooling pressure. And number 2 is your fuel level. This sign that you're seeing on your screen right now, it means your fuel level. Now that fuel level shows you that, okay, my brother, you need to fill up your tank, but most of you feel that, okay, you need to drive your car till it gets to reserve. Sometimes you forget that your car self don't enter reserve. So what you actually need to do is look out for that reserve sign, or that fuel level sign. Once it comes on, know that you need to refuel your tank. Number 3 is your engine oil pressure. Your engine oil pressure, very essential in your car. For you to have or drive a good car and your car is sound, your oil pressure, your oil level need to be at a standard. Let's say there's a car here. I would have shown you the level at which your oil is supposed to reach for you to drive and for the car to function well. But most people don't do that. They just wake up early in the morning, jump on their car, start their car and begin their journey, and on the long run the car will fuck them up and they'll be like, oh god, what is this? Because you're not taking proper care of your car. If you don't take proper care of your girlfriend, she's going to dump you, and once she dump you, complain that I don't chop breakfast. So that is what happens to car. Actually, cars are like your girlfriend. If you don't take care of them, they will dump you. So number 4 is your vehicle charging system. This is very important too. Vehicle charging system, that shows like that sign you're looking on your screen now. That is battery sign that has a plus and minus sign. Now that once you see that sign on your dashboard, my brother, you need to make sure that you work on your what's the name of this thing, so let me remember the name of this. You need to work on your alternator, because your alternator is not charging the battery, and once it's not charging the battery, it's going to drain the battery. Once you off your engine and you start it back, you're going to have like a hard start, meaning that your car will be doing all those kinds sound. You self but you don't want to pay attention to that car. Your that thing where they block your head no will allow you pay attention to your girlfriend. Your car is your girlfriend, if you don't know. So you need to pay attention to all those signs. So number 5 on our list today is your check engine sign. That thing is boldly written there. Check engine. It meaning that your engine is not good. Your engine is not good. You don't have to see like check engine and you're still driving a car while you're saying check engine. My brother, you need to take the car to a mechanic for them to do a proper 100% diagnosis on the car. If not, the car will break down. So why should you drive a car that is writing check engine? You as a human being that get normal brain, person wey no feel fine still dey drag am up, tell am say make e follow you go somewhere. What of if the person fall for road, die, collapse? No, na you kill am o. So my brother, I hope that this video adds value to your life, and I pray that you're going to take proper consideration and you're going to take good care of your girlfriend, which is your car. And I'll see you in my very next video. Please like and comment, subscribe. I will see you in my next video.